makes like $10 million, and all we did is like double goat eggs and some freaking tap water. Come on, please.
Excuse me, our lovely CEO, Mr. Stewart, made them himself this morning.
I mean, John, Mr. Stewart could at least got us some wings as well, instead of just deviled goat eggs.
Well, you're gonna have to excuse me, because goat eggs, devil, whatever is about to come out right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was forceful.
Oh my god.
Oh, it tickled.
Yes.
Oh,
it has legs.
Oh, that one smells like a goat.
Oh, it smells like Area
Thank you,
51.
Mr. Stewart! Stewart!
Oh, Lord. You know what? I think I can appreciate Mr. Stewart's deviled goat eggs way better than that.
I can't see. I can't see. Wait. Oh my god. Jeez, I touched myself.
All right, gentlemen. I think it's time you let a lady show you how it's done.
Oh, let's dance. Let's dance. Oh my god.
Oh, labor.
Yeah, that's what these hips are for.
Oh.
And they do not lie.
Anyone else has turned on the diet right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, you're alone.
I'll call you right back and get in an elevator. All right.
They never put enough sugar in here.
Ketchup?
Ew.
Ain't ketchup.
No steak.
Ain't ketchup.
But there's spaghetti stuff.
Wear the mask.
Yeah, put that mask on. Does anybody smell that?
What else is in your pockets?
Why does it smell like?
Just ketchup and mustard. Mustard? Is the building on fire? I hope not.
Oh god, I hate him.
Where's he stored all? Oh my god.
Oh, eyeball. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's an eyeball.
What happened?
Where's he storing?
Oh my god! It's eating me! It hurts! It's
I've never smelled anything like it before. The chocolate egg just farted. I'm gonna get him. Oh my god.
Oh, the Kingsman.
It's the revenge. The revenge of the devil's goat eggs. 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 Devil goat eggs. Devil goat eggs. Devil goat eggs. That shit just walked out, it had legs. Devil goat eggs. devil, goat eggs.